The Shosha was a World War I light machine gun infamous for its unreliable, open-sided magazine design. This strange feature exposed ammunition to dirt and debris, causing frequent jams in muddy trench conditions. Its flawed design rendered its automatic fire capability nearly meaningless as soldiers struggled to keep it operational. The FP-45 Liberator was a crude single-shot pistol made from stamped sheet metal during World War II. Its strange design stemmed from being intended as a disposable weapon for resistance fighters to use once and discard. Lacking rifling and accuracy, it was nearly pointless beyond close range, serving more as a psychological tool than an effective firearm. The corner shot is a weapon system that allows users to shoot around corners without exposure, using a hinged frame and integrated camera. This strange design challenges traditional firearm concepts by bending the barrel assembly and incorporating digital technology. While innovative, some consider it overcomplicated for its intended tactical purpose. Designed for underwater use, the H&KP-11 fires electrically ignited darts from 5 barrels. The strange elements include its electric firing system and ammunition that resembles mini torpedoes. Reloading requires factory assistance, making it impractical for field operations and highlighting its highly specialized and unusual design. The OT's 38 is a revolver that achieves silence without a suppressor by using special sealed cartridges. This is strange because revolvers typically can't be silenced due to the cylinder gap. Its reliance on unique ammunition limits practicality, making standard cartridges unusable and the design somewhat impractical. Combining a 9-shot revolver with a central shotgun barrel, the LeMat revolver's strange dual-barrel design makes it bulky and complex. While it increases firepower, the added weight and handling difficulties could outweigh its combat benefits, rendering the design less practical. This handgun features 2 barrels and 2 magazines, firing .245 ACP rounds with each trigger pull. The strange design doubles the width and complexity of the classic 1911 without proportionate advantages. Its bulkiness and intricate mechanics make it more of a novelty than a practical sidearm. The Pancor Jackhammer is a fully automatic gas-operated revolving cylinder shotgun. Its strange design attempts to merge shotgun power with automatic fire, resulting in a complex and heavy weapon. Mechanical issues and impracticality prevented it from advancing beyond the prototype stage. An attachment for the German St. G44 rifle, the Krumlau features a curved barrel for shooting around corners. The strange design causes bullets to shatter due to extreme stress, severely reducing accuracy and barrel life. This makes the attachment more of an experimental oddity than a functional tool. Chambered in 2.7 millimeters, the Colibri is the smallest centerfire pistol ever made. Its strange design results in negligible stopping power, making it ineffective for self-defense. The impracticality of such a tiny caliber renders the firearm more of a collector's curiosity than a usable weapon. The punt gun is an enormous shotgun used in the 19th and early 20th centuries for commercial hunting, capable of killing multiple birds with one shot. Its strange size made it impossible to shoulder fire, requiring mounting on a boat. The overpowered design contributed to overhunting, leading to legal restrictions. Originally designed as an aircraft weapon, the Villar Perosa is a double-barreled submachine gun with an extremely high rate of fire. Its strange design is impractical for infantry use due to rapid ammunition depletion and difficulty in controlling the weapon, making it an oddity in small arms development. The Enui revolver is a folding firearm with a ring trigger mechanism. Its strange design aimed for compact concealment but resulted in poor ergonomics and reliability. The unusual folding feature sacrificed functionality, making it an impractical choice for self-defense. Disguised as an oversized pen, the Stinger is a single-shot firearm. The strange design blurs the line between everyday objects and weapons, raising ethical concerns. Its limited accuracy and single-shot capacity offer minimal practical advantage, rendering it more of a novelty. The key gun is a functional key that doubles as a single-shot firearm. This strange combination was intended for jailers but proved impractical due to difficulty in aiming and minimal firepower. The design serves as a curious historical artifact rather than an effective weapon. This circular, palm-held revolver fires by squeezing rather than pulling a trigger. Its strange disc shape and firing mechanism make accurate aiming difficult. The limited caliber reduces effectiveness, making the design an odd approach to concealed carry with questionable practicality. Combining a revolver, brass knuckles, and a folding dagger, the Apache revolver's strange multi-function design results in a weapon that is bulky and inefficient in all roles. It embodies the concept of being a jack of all trades, master of none, sacrificing effectiveness for novelty. Featuring multiple barrels fanning out like a duck's foot, this pistol is designed to fire at multiple targets simultaneously. The strange design significantly reduces accuracy and increases weight, making it impractical except in very specific situations like controlling crowds or mutinies. A 7-barreled flintlock that fires all barrels at once, the knock volley gun's strange design results in excessive recoil that can injure the shooter. The simultaneous discharge is often unnecessary and wasteful, limiting its practicality and making it more of a dangerous curiosity. This mid-19th century rifle uses a chain of 14 chambers rotating through the action. The strange and overcomplicated mechanism was prone to malfunction. The cumbersome design offered no significant advantage over existing firearms, making it an impractical and peculiar invention. A Soviet experimental rifle with 3 barrels and magazines in a bullpup configuration, its strange design aimed to triple firepower. However, the added weight and complexity made it unwieldy and impractical for standard military use, highlighting the limitations of over-engineering. The Dardic revolver uses an open-chamber mechanism and fires triangular cartridges called trounds. The strange design requires proprietary ammunition and exposes internal parts to debris, leading to reliability issues. Its incompatibility with standard ammo made it a commercial failure. An early 18th century repeating firearm with a revolving cylinder, the puckle gun could fire round or square bullets. The strange choice of square bullets for specific enemies was based on the belief they were more damaging. This blend of superstition and technology offered no practical advantage. These firearms fire self-propelled rocket projectiles instead of bullets. The strange design means projectiles accelerate after leaving the barrel, making them ineffective at close range. Manufacturing inconsistencies and poor accuracy rendered them impractical and almost pointless as weapons.